It's inspiring, especially to see each and every one of you here participating. You know, it is very inspiring, and I really believe education is power.
And we are doing what is long overdue for the First Nation in providing services and support.
It gives you the ability to see things differently, to understand things differently, to meet the world differently, and that gives you an advantage.
You know, it's not an option to quit school. We have to feel our feelings and stay in school. But you get back on the bus or you get back to that class and you just stick with it.
One person here might have one piece of the truth, and another person here might have another piece of the truth. And you have to put all those different pieces together to really understand what's happening.
When you think of a 13, 14-year-old child leaving their community, and some often for the first time, they want to go where other youth are hanging out.
But if we don't deal with anything, we're never gonna heal. You know, and I think it's time that people start recognizing that people are on different stages of grief.
But I've never actually considered how my own mother and father must have felt the first time they held me. I was born without arms.
She goes, I need to ask you a question. She goes, I need to know how much you weigh. And I thought she was flirting with me. I'm like, ooh.
My hope is that we can all take this information back to the community and share it, you know, with the ones that can't be here today.
We need each other. We need to support each other and have each other's back.
But I'm a firm believer in education, so I'm glad that you were able to invite me here. And you know, I always believe that you can do whatever you want with your life, but education, man, strong.
It's a very, very important thing to promote education.